Top 10 Most Powerful Passports in the World. Welcome to our video on the top 10 most powerful passports in the world. In today's video, we embark on a thrilling exploration of the top 10 passports in the world, granting their holders unparalleled travel freedom and access to destinations across the globe. Get ready to discover the power of these travel documents. Number 10. Lithuania, Slovakia. At number 10, we have the Lithuanian and Slovakian passports, a gateway to adventure. Holding this document in your hands grants you visa-free access to over 184 countries, allowing you to explore diverse cultures, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities across the globe. Number 9. Hungary, Poland. Coming in at number 9, we find the Hungarian and Poland passports, a key to unlocking exciting experiences. With these passports, you can travel visa-free to approximately 185 countries, immersing yourself in the rich history, stunning alpine landscapes, and cultural delights that Hungary and Poland and the world have to offer. Number 8. Australia, Canada, Greece, Malta. In the 8th spot, we have these countries' passports, opening doors to captivating journeys. With visa-free access to around 186 countries, you can explore these countries' sun-kissed beaches and architectural wonders, and indulge in its vibrant culture. Beyond these countries, this passport paves the way for memorable adventures around the globe. Number 7. Belgium, Czech Republic, New Zealand, Norway, Switzerland, the United States. Moving forward, we arrive at this group of countries' passports, a ticket to global exploration. Holding these prestigious travel documents provides you visa-free access to approximately 187 countries, granting you the freedom to traverse continents, discover hidden gems, and create lifelong memories. Number 6. France, Ireland, Portugal, the United Kingdom. At the 6th spot, we have this group of countries' passports, unlocking a world of possibilities. With these countries' passports, you can enjoy visa-free travel to approximately 188 countries, allowing you to savor these countries' culinary delights, marvel at their architectural wonders, and get lost in the rich tapestry of its history and culture. Number 5. Austria, Denmark, Netherlands, Sweden. Now we arrive at this group of countries' passports, a gateway to breathtaking experiences. Holding these countries' documents in your hands grants you visa-free entry to around 189 countries, opening up a world of natural wonders, from the enchanting northern lights to the pristine wilderness of these countries. Number 4. Finland, Italy, Luxembourg. Taking the 4th position, we have this group of countries' passports, an invitation to global connections. With visa-free access to approximately 190 destinations worldwide, these countries' passports allow you to immerse yourself in these countries' vibrant culture, bustling cities, and technological marvels before venturing into the wider world. Number 3. Germany, Spain. Securing the bronze medal, we find the Germany and Spain passports, a key to unforgettable journeys. Renowned for its strong economy and rich history, these countries' passports offer visa-free access to approximately 191 countries. With it, you can explore these two countries' fairy tale castles and picturesque villages, and immerse yourself in its vibrant arts and music scenes. Number 2. South Korea. Claiming the 2nd spot is the South Korean passport, opening doors to boundless horizons. With visa-free access to approximately 192 countries, this passport allows you to experience South Korea's modern marvels, culinary delights, and cultural diversity before jetting off to explore the world's wonders. Number 1. Japan, Singapore. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Taking the crown as the most powerful passport in the world, we have the Japanese and Singaporean passports. With visa-free access to over 193 countries, this document is a golden ticket to incredible adventures. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Kyoto, Japan and Singapore beckons with its unique culture and breathtaking landscapes. These rankings are a testament to the power of passports in enabling us to discover new lands, experience diverse cultures, and forge connections with people from around the world. Remember, the world is yours to explore, and these passports provide you with opportunities to embark on extraordinary journeys. Safe travels, explorers! Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 most powerful passports in the world.